Lesson 2. Okay, so you've learned that the best place to start any assignment is with the prompt. But what do you do when you read the prompt, sit down to begin, and you don't know where to start? Fear not. Writing is a process with many stages. Begin with ideas and move toward sophistication.
Professor Francis says,
polish work is the best!
Lesson 2. You want to get into the habit of writing in 4 stages.
1. Pre-writing. 2. Drafting. 3. Revising. 4. Editing. Start with pre-writing. One way to improve your output is to spend some time working through your ideas before you start to write. For the pre-writing stage, follow these 3 steps. Number 1, questioning. Number 2, clustering. Number 3, researching. Number 1, questioning. Start by asking questions about your topic. What interests you about your topic?
Professor Francis says,
use your curiosity to inspire you.
1. Questioning. Good beginning questions. Where to start? Who, what, why, how, when, where. The type of question shapes the kind of answer you will get. How does X occur? What is the nature of X? Understanding. Why is it happening? Exploration. Why might it be happening? Why does, what factors affect? Or what about description? What is happening? Prediction. How likely is something to happen? Or evaluation. How important is what happened?
Once you have all of your super inspired ideas, begin clustering them. What's clustering, you say? Clustering is when you visually map out your ideas.
The main idea in the middle and start to group ideas around it.
Here's an example. Let's zoom in. James Kennedy has brainstormed and mind mapped 4 different categories of musical instruments.
Electrophones, percussion, chordophones, and aerophones.
Then he expanded each of these categories into all of the subcategories he could think of. Like this.
This is enough to write an enormous book. If he wanted to write a 4-page article, he would need to narrow. Writing tip. It is generally better to write on a narrow, focused topic and provide a more in-depth discussion.
Professor Francis says,
Avoid tackling too much. Overdo it, and you won't be able to develop and support your points enough.
Exactly. Brainstorm to begin. Focus to move forward.
Lesson 2, summary. Success comes from pre-writing. 1. Dive into your topic by asking questions that interest you. 2. Cluster your questions into groups. And as for research, more on that when we meet the folks from the library.
It's that easy. So let's see you try.